Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Want that glass smooth, radiant skin that Koreans are famous for? Well, I've got you covered today. I'm showing you how to get Korean glass skin. Step 1. What is glass skin? Glass skin is all about achieving a super smooth, dewy complexion with a natural, lit from within glow. It's all about hydration, texture, and a clear, even skin tone. Step 2. To get that Korean glass skin, you need a few key steps. 1. Double cleansing. Start with an oil cleanser to remove makeup, then follow with a gentle foaming cleanser. 2. Toner. 3. Hydrate and balance your skin's pH. 3. Essence. This is the secret to that deep hydration. 4. Serum and moisturizer. Lock in all that moisture and give your skin a glowing finish. Step 3. Bonus tips. Use products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides. They're key for plumping, brightening, and maintaining that smooth texture. With the right routine and consistent care, you can achieve that coveted Korean glass skin glow. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare secrets. See you in the next video.